Ka Sorkar Jila Kalisha ka Ministry of Home Affairs ban crunch pangi prapo atli ki Longïing ha rong gara siju constituency badi ru kinong India ki ba la sya pengat no sya Bangladesh hadien ba ka care Sainar sya da ka ba ongru babon ki Jingter Sainar sya hapo kapot Indo Bangla kamlong kat kum ki kindon Habai tu ya kene Menteri ka Sorkar Jila badu MLA ke constituency rak kam sangma hula ong ba kumba prapulai teli ki Longïing na po rong gara siju constituency kila don Shabar ke Jingker Sainar sya ke Indo Bangla bat kim hap hapo India ne Bangladesh kumta ka Sorkar Jila kala leisha ka Ministry of Home Affairs ban le AA ban Pynkynriah no Biang yaki bat menta dang ab ya kejubab na ka ministry Ulaong ba ha ka jing shisha kide ban care Sainar sya kumba chispa san poyat napo ka zero hidre bona ki kam care Sainar sya la te shalendet ka chispa san po lai spa meter south spa bat san spa meter pade halor kene ba bona ki jaka la le lot che Bangladesh
It's not because but earlier I don't want to hide anything else now here because the India and the Bangladesh always share a good relation, but because of all this unrest happening in neighboring countries, and especially in Bangladesh, so the movement of the peoples, the trade and the business, local small business is not taking place. I don't know, but there is no issue as such in the Indian side. But I heard in the troubles areas of the Bangladesh side, there may be some issues being crept up, but not to that extent. But I think towards Indian side, no any issue, no any challenges as of now. Our border security being guarded well. But however, the BDR, Bangladesh Defense Forces, is no more in the border area now. They have all resigned or when. I don't know what happened. So because of all this issue, but Indian side, we are all there is no any issue as of now.
But are in your constituency, how many kilometers unfenced border is there?
No, about in my constituency, no, almost all have been already fenced, but it is not well secured. Because why? About 83 number of family from my constituency is towards the Bangladesh side. About 83 number of family from Rongora Siju constituency is behind, outside the Indo-Bangla fencing. They are neither Bangladesh nor Indian, but they are Indian citizens. So we are moving to the Home Ministry to do something for relocation or paying compensation, but we are waiting for the ministry to reply because most of the area, the construction of Indo-Bangla fence is not at the as per the norms. They were supposed to construct at the 150 year from the zero line. But most of the fencing constructed beyond 150, 300 meter, 400 meter, 500 meter. Therefore, in the process, many of our lands has been going towards Bangladesh. That is not the correct one. So I also personally taken off with our chief minister, our chief minister taking up with the central government. So I think we are awaiting the solution.
How long have this 82 family been there?
Since inception.
Nothing was done.
No, because that they were there inhabited long time back before Indian independence. Okay. The land belongs to them, the farm belongs to them, the house belongs to them. But there are some family who are very close to international border. But they are within the 150 years. But since the building, the fence has been constructed, they are now towards the Bangladesh side. But now we are awaiting the reply of the ministry. What is to be done? Because they are Indian citizens, but towards the Bangladesh side now. So I think it's a ministry to take a call.
I think that is very rampant in the international border.
I think it's no more. No, I think that doesn't.
Keeps on catching them.
No, it is up. It is no selling and buying is not illegal to me. Because they might be buying from Guwahati, they might be buying from the Shillong, and they want to sell anywhere. But buying and selling is not illegal. But there is no mechanism. So whether the illegal or not illegal to be decided, to be checked by the BSF guarding the border. So we are nothing to do. But we don't know whether selling, not buying, or exporting illegal. We don't know. But we have the border guard people. The BSF are there at the border. So it is their responsibility, right?